My name is Anju Thapa and I'm from Delhi. I have been into multiple task handler role since last 15 years, primarily taking care of the operations and the general management of multiple tasks like HR, finance, marketing, sales, supply chain management, leadership, handling team, and all these areas. I wanted to upgrade my skills in these areas. And then I come across to this executive certificate program which was launched by IIM Indore. And I was so delighted to attend this program. I have enrolled, and this was a 6 months online program. IIM itself is a big brand, big name. But when I came here, I saw it is not only a name, it is something that we engrave in our heart. The faculties, so humble, very intelligent, having all kind of knowledge, skills, along with their behavior. They were so humble, their attitude, they were so humorous. Our faculty, Mr. Manoj, he was very humble and he guided us with our Capstone project like anything. Whatever doubts we had, he has given us extra time, extra support to complete our Capstone project on time. So I'm very delighted today. I have completed my this certificate and the campus. We had a lot of opportunities to go around the campus. This is one of the beautiful campus that I have ever been. Overall, I would like to say that this was an amazing experience, and I think it's not only the learning, it's the decorum that I'm taking with me, the discipline, the maturity level, and the knowledge that I have received here, not only in terms of the course topics, but also how to be an efficient leader in terms of humanity, how we can help others also to grow within the organization. So I'm thankful to IIM and thankful to everyone who supported us to complete this course. And thank you so much.